Hello guys and welcome to the prerequisite video for 3-hour live masterclass on Facebook and Instagram ads. This is the most essential and the important part if you want to take the maximum benefit from the 3-hour live masterclass. You need to follow all the steps which I am going to share in this video and be ready for the 3-hour live masterclass. What we are going to do in this video, we are going to create the business manager. Now, you need a business manager if you want to run the ads on Facebook and Instagram both, and if you want to generate leads or sales. Business manager is very different compared to the normal boost post option, and that is the importance of business manager, and that is why you need a business manager. Now, when you want to create a business manager, you need to come on this URL, which is business.facebook.com/overview. When you come on this URL, you need to simply click on this button, which is create an account. When I click on this button, you are going to get 3 options. Now I'm going to explain each and every option so you create the business manager without any error. First thing first, your business and account name. Now I'm going to share 2 strategies to give the name to your business manager. First thing, you can give the business manager name on your personal name. For example, my personal name is Naveen. So I can give the business manager name like this, Naveen-Business Manager. If I want to create the business manager on my business name, then I can give the name to business manager like Skill Nation, my business name -business manager. Use the same strategy to give the name to your business manager. Now coming to the second point, which is your name. Now sometime you might be able to see that Facebook has automatically added your name. Now from where Facebook is taking your name, it is simply taking from your Facebook profile. If you see on my Facebook profile, it is Parmar Naveen, and I am able to see the exact same name under the section of your name. If you see your name under the section of your name, don't change anything, okay? If you don't see, just add your name. Now coming to the most important part of this 3 section, which is your business email. Now I'm going to ask you to add the email which you check at least once in 24 hours. I mean, why we need to add the email which we check once in 24 hours? Because if there's any problem with your business manager, ad account, Facebook ad, Instagram ad, Facebook page, Facebook will reach out to you on this particular email which you are going to add in this particular section. So what you are going to add? The email which you check at least once in 24 hours. I'm going to add any random email, but you make sure that you add the email which you check once in 24 hours. When you add the email, you simply need to click on the submit. Now one thing which I want to tell you, when you click on the submit, either you are going to see the errors or you will be redirected to some different new page, okay? If you don't see any error, that means you have successfully created your business manager. Naveen, I have clicked on submit and I have not seen any error. Now what should I do? You need to simply go on this URL, which is business.facebook.com/select. You will be able to see your business manager in this particular section which you have created right now. Now one thing which I want to tell you is, many people might think because you are seeing the URL as facebook.com, you might be assuming that you are creating the Facebook business manager, not Instagram business manager, but that is not the case. When you create this business manager, it will be used for both the platform, which is Facebook and Instagram. You can run the ads on both the platform by creating this business manager. So make sure, even if you want to run the ads on Instagram, you need to create the business manager by following the steps which I have shared with you earlier. But for example, you are not able to create new business manager and you are seeing errors. Now what might be the errors which you might face? There are 4 specific errors which I'm going to share with you, and I'm also going to share the solution of the errors which you might face. So let's go to the PPT slide and let me help you understand the errors and the solution for the same. Errors you might face while creating a new business manager. The first error which you might face is you have reached the limit for the number of businesses you can create at this time. Whenever you see this type of error, here are the solutions which you need to implement. Number one, you need to wait for 15 to 21 days and try again, and you will be able to create the new business manager. And second solution which you need to implement is keep spending in your old business manager or old ad account, right? You already have a business manager, and that is the reason you are not able to create new business manager, and that is the reason you are able to see this particular error. Now, second error which you might face is your advertising access is restricted. Now, if you are able to see this error, I will straight away give you the simple solution that create new Facebook profile and then create new business manager from your new Facebook profile. First solution, which is reach out to Facebook and Instagram support. Many times it doesn't work in the favor of advertisers. And that is the reason I'm giving you the direct second solution, which is create new Facebook profile and create new business manager from your profile. If you see the second error, which is your advertising access is restricted, you need to follow these two solutions and you will be able to create your business manager. Now, third error which you might face is you are trying to create a business with the same name as one of you are already part of. Please pick the different name. Now, what you need to do, if you see the same exact error, you need to simply change the name of your business manager. You just simply need to change this particular name and you will be able to create the business manager. Okay. For example, Naveen, how do I find that with what name I already have the business manager? You need to simply go on this URL, which is business.facebook.com/select. Now I have two business manager with this two name, which is Naveen Dash Business Manager and Skill Nation Media. If I use to create Skill Nation Media name to create my new business manager, I will not be able to do that. And same, if you go on this URL and you find the few business manager in your account, and if you use the exact same name, you will not be able to create the business manager with the exact same name of your old business manager. Okay. So this is the solution. If you see third error, which you are trying to create a business with the same name. Okay. Now, fourth error which you might see while creating the business manager is your Facebook account is too new to create a business account. Try again in an hour. For example, your advertising access was restricted in your one of the Facebook profile. You created the new Facebook profile and then you are trying to create the new business manager and you are seeing this error. Here are the solution which you need to implement. Try to create business manager after 14 days. Most probably, and I have seen multiple accounts that whenever you see this type of error, it take at least 14 days to remove this error and to create the business manager successfully. So my solution to you will be try every day. Try this particular step. Try to create your business manager every day at least once, but you will be able to create your business manager successfully after 14 days. So these were the errors which you might face while creating your business manager. And if you are not seeing any error and you have clicked on this submit button, then congratulations, you have successfully created the business manager and you have followed all the steps which required to run the ads on Facebook and Instagram. Please make sure that you create your business manager in case you are not seeing any error. If you are seeing error, I would strongly recommend you to join the masterclass even if you don't have the business manager, because you can create the business manager after 40 days, after 20 days. But I will be sharing multiple strategies with you which you can use after creating the business manager. I'm absolutely hoping to see you inside the live masterclass. Till then, bye bye and take care.